Hi everyone, I'm Joey with Create with Joey, and I'm here to tell you about my In Color Club for 2024, the new In Colors for 2024-2026. They're so pretty and I can't wait to share them with you. The In Color Club is a club that is a subscription for 5 months. So from May through September, you'll get one color, everything in the annual catalog that's in one color. So let me show you the new colors. So this is Petunia Pop, and this is Shy Shamrock. This one is Peach Pie. This one is Summer Splash. Gosh, I lost it for a minute. Summer Splash. This has been, a lot of people are saying that they love that color especially. And this is Pretty in Pink. This is a returning color that we used to have. And I'm so happy they brought it back to be in the In Colors for these next 2 years. It'll be so fun to work with those. All right, so what do you get with the In Color Club? I'm going to just go ahead and click my camera here and bring you down. I just have to click on a little toolbar, and then it'll show you what you'll be right side up instead of upside down. And I do have my iPad here so I can kind of see what you're seeing, so I know I'm not too far out of the screen for anything. Oh, we don't have any light. Let's get some light. Uh-oh, I don't think I got the button clicked. Okay, there we go. Now it should be right. Sorry about that. If you're watching on YouTube, sorry, this is a Facebook Live and not just a video, otherwise I would have just stopped and started over. Okay, anyway, so for what do you get? So you're going to get a half a pack of the cardstock. You're going to 8.5 by 11, so you're going to get a whole half a pack of that. You're going to get 2 blends markers. You're going to get 4 pieces of DSP. You're going to get a whole bolt of ribbon. You're going to get the Stampin' Up marker. You're going to get the ink refill. And then you'll also get you'll get your month's color of the In Color dots. And then you'll also get, well, did I show? I think I said you'll get the DSP, but I don't think I didn't show it yet. So this is what the DSP looks like. I only have a small amount of this pattern of the Petunia Pop because I've used it on so many cards on my swap cards. But this is what the DSP looks like. I really, really like these patterns. I always love stripes. I always love greenery and florals. And then these two are going to be really easy to use. I guess I got 2 of those. Really easy to use with a lot of different card ideas and stamp sets and templates. So those are the 5 colors, and you'll get the DSP every month. I want to make sure I went over everything. Just let me review that you get half a pack of the cardstock, 1 ink pad. Oh, I didn't put that in here because I was using it today for a video. Well, let's just pull out any color. We'll pretend like this is pink for now. Oh, here's my pink one. So here we go. So an ink pad and ink refill, a Stampin' Up marker. We weren't able to buy the ink refills for the In Colors on our pre-order, so I don't have the ink refills, but I wanted to put it there so you know you would get it. A full bolt of the bordered ribbon, 5 sheets of designer series paper, 1/4 sheet of In Color glimmer paper. This is the glimmer paper, which is to die for. So I know mine's all cut up in pieces, but at least you can see all of the colors here at the bottom. So you'll get a 1/4 sheet of that. A color sampling of the resin dots, which I already showed you, a handmade card in your color, plus the card supplies to make 2 more, and a detailed PDF. So in other words, you would get a handmade card made by me, and then you would get the supplies to make 2 more, just like it. The kit cut up and the die cutting done, etc. for you to make your own cards and a PDF tutorial. So I'm offering this for anyone that wants to be part of it for 5 months. I will put a link for all the details that are on my blog, or you can go to createwithjoey.com and go to In Color Club. I'll put a link in the comments though. And then one more thing, if you join my club, because I know there's a lot of clubs starting out there, one of the months you'll get a packet of the shimmer gems. Here, this one isn't, this one's out of the package. So you'll get a pack of those, and then you'll also get, and I don't have this cut up, but you'll also get a sampling of this paper. This paper is called Unbounded Beauty, and it has all the in colors in it. These are the patterns. I don't have my neat little 6x6 samples cut yet. Just so much to do at the end of one catalog and the beginning of the other. But I have used this quite a bit already too in demonstrator swap cards. And there's one more pattern here, I think. Let's find, yeah, that one. And there we go. So I'm offering some free gifts with mine, as well as what you get every month. The cost is, if you're local in Lincoln and you can pick it up, it is $65 a month. If you are needing an order, then it's $65 plus $9 priority shipping for this big stack of supplies that you get every month. And at the end of 5 months, you'll have everything in every in color. All right, my friends, you're welcome to send me a comment, send me an email, send me a question, anything you want to know about it, and I'll be happy to let you know whatever it is that you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll follow me on my Create with Joey page or my Create with Joey YouTube channel. Thanks, everybody. Take care. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.